Today's date is Tuesday, April 28th, 2026. I'm going to be reviewing the trade I took today. AM session, overall market sentiment. We saw a 4 hour, what's kind of more like a daily retrace if you see this daily gap here. Um, but the 4 hour was bearish, the 1 hour was bearish, just general market structure was bearish. Not, I feel like it's kind of more of a natural pullback, not really too specifically news driven. Um, Yeah, let's get into this. So in Q we had this daily fair value gap here. Yes, we did not. All right, sorry. So going into market open, we have this fair value gap here, this 1 hour fair value gap. We have these 4 hour fair value gaps right here. This is 1 hour equilibrium, and this is equilibrium on the 1 hour on NQ. 4 hour equilibrium didn't get tapped into. Let's see here. See how that lines up perfectly with that if I move this. So 1 hour equilibrium. Okay. Market open, fill this gap. I wait for a 2 minute market structure break. We see that here. I wait for equilibrium to get hit. We saw equilibrium get hit on this candle right here. This did hit it. Let's see. Let's zoom in and be precise here. Tap, just barely. I don't know how far you want to zoom, but just barely hit it. Drop down to the 30-second. I'm looking for a 30-second continuation here. We see that on this candle down, hits the 79% extension. Boom, that gets nicked right there. I enter here. And I've been kind of playing around with pulling my, setting a limit order and wanting to pull my here. Like, look at the risk reward 1.95, 1.6. Like, I get point 0.3, point 0.3, more than point 0.3 more RR if I just put my limit order 2 or 3 ticks above. So I'm going to be reviewing all my trades that I took and seeing if that's possible. Like on this 30-second time frame, putting a limit order like right here for a pullback on this candle. Because think about if this candle doesn't pull back here. Let's imagine this candle doesn't pull back with this wick here. It leaves behind a gap on the 30-second. And then I just put my entry at the gap. So, I mean, of course, sometimes price takes off, so that's why I'm going to be reviewing and seeing which trades it works on and not. But so yeah, that was the trade today. Final RR was TP1. I like to do this sometimes, especially if I'm not too confident in the trade. Since we were in this daily fair value gap, and we were kind of getting this V-shaped recovery. I was kind of not too confident. I like to pull the uh, Gann box, your Fibonacci tool, whatever, and mark out a 79% extension and have a TP1 here. So TP1 was here, TP2 was here, final take profit was here at this new day opening gap from all the way over here from Thursday's 23rd. So that was the trade I took. Final RR like 1.25, so not bad. Yeah, I'll be not back on here tomorrow. FMC statement comes out tomorrow. Do not trade tomorrow. Your P&L will thank me, and I will be trading Thursday and Friday. Also, a ton of company earnings are coming out tomorrow. Thursday, I think a company earning comes out. Maybe Apple Thursday comes out, and then Friday ends the week off. Friday is the beginning of May. So, yep, that's it for today.